Brand positioning. Apple does not sell the iPhone as just another smartphone. From the beginning, the company positioned it as a premium product sitting above most of the market. That decision affects everything that follows. When a brand spends years building an image around quality, exclusivity, and reliability, customers begin expecting a different experience. Part of the higher price comes from the technology inside, but part of it comes from the value people associate with the Apple name itself. Research and development. Long before an iPhone reaches store shelves, Apple spends years designing and testing it. Engineers work on custom chips, camera systems, battery optimization, wireless technologies, and software features that may not appear for several generations. Unlike many companies that rely heavily on off-the-shelf components, Apple develops much of its own technology. Those investments are spread across every device sold, making research one of the major reasons iPhones cost more. Custom silicon. One of the biggest differences between an iPhone and many competing phones is the processor. Apple designs its own A-series chips instead of buying standard solutions. This gives the company tighter control over performance, power efficiency, security, and software optimization. Building world-class silicon requires enormous engineering resources, specialized talent, and years of development. The result is often industry-leading performance, but it also adds cost, materials, and build quality. The materials used in premium iPhones are rarely the cheapest option available. Depending on the model, Apple uses aerospace-grade aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, strengthened glass, and precision-machined components. Manufacturing these parts at massive scale while maintaining strict quality standards is expensive. The goal is not simply making a phone look premium, but creating a device that feels durable and refined over years of use. Manufacturing precision. Building millions of smartphones is difficult. Building millions while maintaining consistent quality is even harder. Apple invests heavily in manufacturing processes, quality control systems, and supply chain management. Tiny tolerances, complex assembly techniques, and extensive testing help ensure devices perform as expected. Much of that invisible work never appears on a specification sheet, yet it contributes directly to the final price. Camera development. Modern iPhone cameras involve far more than camera sensors. Apple spends heavily on image processing, computational photography, video stabilization, color science, and machine learning systems that operate behind the scenes. When users capture photos or cinematic video, a large amount of software processing happens instantly. Years of camera research and specialized hardware development help create that experience, and those investments are reflected in the iOS ecosystem. The iPhone is only one piece of a much larger ecosystem. It works closely with products like the Apple Watch, iPad, Mac, AirPods, and numerous online services. Creating that level of integration requires continuous software development and long-term support. Features often feel seamless because different teams spend years ensuring devices communicate smoothly. Maintaining such an ecosystem adds value for users, but also increases overall development expenses. Long-term software support. Many smartphones receive limited software updates before reaching the end of support. Apple typically supports iPhones for many years, delivering security patches, bug fixes, and major operating system upgrades long after purchase. Supporting older devices requires ongoing engineering effort and infrastructure. While customers benefit from longer device lifespans, the cost of maintaining that support is built into the product. Retail and customer service. Apple operates an enormous network of retail stores and support centers around the world. These locations provide product demonstrations, repairs, technical assistance, and customer service. Running thousands of physical locations, training staff, and maintaining service operations costs billions of dollars. Those expenses become part of the overall business model behind every iPhone sold. Marketing. Not every dollar in the iPhone price goes toward engineering. Apple is also one of the world's most powerful marketing companies. Product launches, advertising campaigns, partnerships, and global branding efforts require substantial investment. Marketing helps create demand and maintain the premium image of the iPhone. This is one area where critics argue part of the higher price comes from perception as much as technology. Supply and demand. Pricing is influenced by what customers are willing to pay. Year after year, millions of people continue buying iPhones despite higher prices than many competitors. Strong demand gives Apple the ability to maintain premium pricing without significantly reducing sales. In simple terms, if customers consistently accept a higher price, there is little business incentive to lower it. Profit margins. Apple is a business, and businesses aim to generate profit. The company does not price products solely based on manufacturing costs. Beyond engineering, materials, software, and marketing, a portion of the price exists because Apple wants healthy profit margins. Those profits fund future products, reward investors, and support long long-term growth. This is where the engineering argument and the marketing argument begin to overlap. Engineering and marketing combined. The reality is that iPhones cost more because of both engineering and marketing, not one or the other. Advanced chips, premium materials, software support, ecosystem integration, and extensive research create genuine costs that many users experience directly. At the same time, branding, market positioning, customer perception, and profit strategy allow Apple to charge more than many competitors. The final price of an iPhone is the result of both technological investment and the power of one of the most recognizable brands in the